What is going on, guys? Marc here. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 different ways to make money on social media. I'm a big proponent of investing your money and allowing that to build into wealth. But the best way to build up your portfolio is to boost your income. Side hustles are a great way to do that, and social media is a massive vehicle to fuel any of those ambitions. So we're going to go into the first strategy right away, which is to grow your audience. Now, I know a lot of people are expecting something else like do product or sponsorships, but you can't really do those things very well on social media unless you already have the audience. And you can make money on social media even if you have a small audience, but it's not going to be that much in comparison to if you have a larger audience. So prioritize a small number of social networks. Make sure you have a way to turn your social media followers into email subscribers, because if an algorithm change impacts how many people see your content, that could be a really big problem if you're social media centric. But if you have people on your email list, you can always communicate with them. So the more you prioritize audience growth, the more monetization opportunities will open up, because sponsorships will eagerly want to work with you. They will reach out to you. And anytime you promote a book or a course or any other type of product, whether it be affiliate or your own service, you promote that to a larger audience. Just the law of numbers, you increase the amount of people who are likely to become customers. So audience growth is a key element when it comes to making money on social media, and it is the big thing that people should focus on. The second way to make money on social media is to post more content. Now, I know that may sound like a little bit like, okay, like where are we going with this? But your social media is like a resume. So when I do freelance stuff on Upwork and I'm reaching out to potential clients, I provide them with my Medium articles. And in multiple conversations I've had with potential clients, they point out that they really enjoyed the Medium articles. And sometimes that makes the difference between landing the freelance gig versus not landing it. So if you want to manage other people's social media, for instance, make sure you do a phenomenal job of managing your own social media and demonstrate that through consistent postings on the social networks that you choose. If you are a graphic designer, prioritize a platform like Instagram. Make an Instagram account, whether it be your personal or a business account, that shows off your graphic designs, and then you can use that Instagram account as part of your resume to help out with landing freelance gigs or any side hustle or a full-time job as well, if that is the direction you want to take. But think about what you want to do, like how you want to make money, what side hustles you want to do, or what job you want to pursue, and how can social media, how can you use it to demonstrate that you are capable of all of the roles and responsibilities. And the third strategy in this video for making money on social media sounds like a no-brainer, but it's not something enough people think about. And that is posting on social media sites that actually pay you. So YouTube is one of the few social media platforms that pays its creators for great content. Now, I don't think any YouTuber should completely rely on Google AdSense. You're leaving a lot of money on the table if you only rely on AdSense, but you are posting on a platform that actively pays its creators. Now, for YouTube, you got to hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time from the past 365 days in order to become a YouTube partner. But once you are a YouTube partner, you are able to get paid, and you can make money before that stage with products, with affiliate offers, etc. So the idea, though, post on platforms that pay their creators. Like Medium is a really amazing place to write content because they actively pay their writers through the partner program. I mean, you can use social media to drive traction to your offers and services, but the social network should also pay you for bringing attention on their platform. So prioritize social networks where that income stream becomes an option if you become an influencer on the platform. So like, again, like YouTube, it doesn't pay everybody, but once you become a partner, you do start to get paid. If you are starting from the ground up with social media, prioritize the platforms that could potentially pay you for your content. So let me know what you think about these 3 social media strategies. I feel like this is a different type of like how to make money from social media video, but I always love to hear your guys' thoughts. If you have any questions about social media or some other strategies that you guys want to share. In any event, I look forward to seeing you in the next one.